Hi, and thanks for listening to my poster presentation on how apathy is impacting clinical trial participation in ALS. So this is an overview of my poster. This study I'm currently doing with Karolinska Institutet here in Stockholm, Sweden, and it's based on the DAS, so the Dimensional Apathy Scale. This is a scale that was developed by Ratko Radakovic, who I'm collaborating with on this study, and it is evaluating apathy under the form of 3 subtypes. So we have initiation apathy, executive apathy, and emotional apathy. And all these 3 subtypes of apathy are impacted in ALS, mainly initiation apathy. So what was interesting was that we've noticed that it was not a scale translated and validated in Swedish, so that was the first goal of this study. And then I started wondering how apathy could have an impact on clinical trial participation. We have more and more clinical trials available, and they are the only option we have to find a cure for the disease. So if apathy is very important in ALS patients, we can think that this is impacting their trial participation. So this is how we came up with this hypothesis that increased disease severity that we can monitor thanks to the ALS-FRS-R is leading to a decreased quality of life that we also measure thanks to questionnaires of quality of life, leading to an increased apathy level, mainly initiation apathy, but also the other 2 subtypes, ultimately decreasing to trial engagement. And we are left with this vicious circle. So to assess this, what we came up with is this kind of methodology, and we are currently doing this study. So we are now planning for an 18-month follow-up, but considering an extension to 24-month follow-up of having a patient and a control group and seeing them every 6 months, collecting data on the Swedish version of the DAS, but also disease severity, anxiety and depression levels, quality of life, and also cognition and behavior thanks to the ECAS. And at the second visit, what we'll do is that we'll collect a clinical trial questionnaire that we came up with that is considering questions of, have you heard of clinical trials in ALS? And then asking questions to monitor the level of engagement they are ready to engage with. So are you interested in receiving information on ALS trials? And do you have questions? If yes, how many questions, and so on. So this is definitely a work in progress, but thanks to this, we are aiming to validate the DAS in Swedish and impact and address the potential impact of apathy in clinical trial participation. Thank you so much for listening, and thanks for the Symposium for hosting my presentation. Bye.